What's up, everybody? It's your boy King Hussle, and yes, this is my new YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell. So whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on, and hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this one right here, King Hussle, King Hussle 2.0, King Hussle X1M, King Hussle Crazy Reactions, the Hussle family, and turn motivation into means. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom in the description, all my social media links will pop up. Alright, got a lot of fake King Hussle social media accounts out here scamming people still. Please follow instructions. Before y'all send y'all money to anybody, please get a FaceTime verification call or video to make sure you see this face. Make sure you're getting legit business and you're getting what you paid for, alright? My Telegram is not no King Hussle nothing. Just get a FaceTime verification call before y'all send y'all money. And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only. I'm not telling anybody to do anything. So let's get this thing started. So I'm finna drop y'all a quick gem real quick. I'm finna give y'all some quick sauce real quick. I'm finna show y'all where y'all can get a $25,000 signature loan, personal loan. As long as you got a bank account with them, as long as you built up some relationships with them, as long as you got a relationship with them, you'll be A-okay. And you can have bad credit, all right? So today I'm gonna be talking about BMO bank, personal loans, signature loans, up to you can get up to $25,000 just with a signature. All you gotta do is build a relationship. Now, a lot of people who are new to my channel are probably asking me or asking themselves, Hussle, what's a relationship? How do you build a relationship with a bank? Well, basically, what you do is you open up a bank account, checking and savings, and you consistently make deposits in that account. So it don't gotta be just a lump sum of money. You want to spread it out. So the first time you open up an account, you might want to put in $100 on a Monday. That Friday, you might want to put in $300. That next week, Tuesday, you might want to put in $500. Like, spread it out a little bit so it can start adding up. So it can show multiple deposits being in there, then vice versa, one lump sum, and then you just never put any more money in there, right? More deposits look better, right? So once you start doing that, you're going to start developing a relationship with that bank, and they're going to start sending you perks and offers. Once they start sending you perks and offers, that's when you know you're building up a relationship with that bank. And the more you build a relationship up with that bank, the offers and the perks will get better and better. So what you're going to do is you're going to go get your BMO Harris bank account. You're going to get your checking account and savings account. Once you get that checking and savings account, you're going to get you a deposit $200 in the checking and the savings, right? So once you deposit that $200 in the checking and savings, now you want to say, okay, let me make sure my credit and my paper trail is A-okay, because they're going to look at that. And when they look at that, they're not going to ask you for no documents. They're going to just need your signature because they can see what's going on. And you got a good, decent enough credit, and you got a paper trail that's decent enough, you're going to have a better chance of getting approved. So like I tell you guys, start figuring out what your credit reports are, what your credit score is. And the way you do that to get an accurate report, an accurate score, is by getting you an Experian account, paying $25 a month. You pay $25 a month, you can get your 3 FICOs. You can know what your credit score is, your debt, all that good stuff like that. All right, so you're gonna know all the information that you need. All right, so once you get your Experian account, then what you're going to do is, now everybody credit score and everybody credit report is not the same. So what you're going to do is, depending on what your situation is, you're going to either add trade lines and AUs automatically because you don't have debt, or if you got debt, you got collections and things on your credit. If you're somebody 25 years or older that's been living life, more than likely you got debt. You're going to go clean your credit, and then you're going to add those trade lines. So how do you clean your credit? You go to Experian Freeze, TransUnion Freeze, and all that. You freeze your 3 credit bureaus. Once you freeze your 3 credit bureaus, you go back to your Experian account. You dispute all your collections. Any account that's 7 years or older is classified as being expired. So those are going to be the ones you mainly see falling off first on your credit report. So once you start seeing these fall offs, it takes up to 15 business days to start seeing any results. Then you can start adding trade lines and AUs to your credit, because you want to get your debt down as much as possible so you can add this good debt, so you can have more good debt than bad debt, because they do not want to see. Everything is really based off payment history. How good have you been paying off these bills? How good have you been paying off these trade lines? As long as you've been paying off them trade lines good, then you good. Like I said, trade lines before could be auto loans, student loans, mortgage loans, all different type of loans. But once you get these trade lines and you get the payments auto paid out your account each month, then you're not going to miss a payment, which is going to generate you exceptional payment history, which is going to start getting you in the green instead of the red. All right, so Figure out what your credit is, Experian.com, get you the account. Once you know what it is and what's going on, either add those trade lines automatically in those AU accounts from because like I told you before, you're supposed to have at least 5 credit cards on your account. So go to Trade Lines Apply and get you 5 credit cards to put on your account to start piggybacking. Now you got like $50,000 to $100,000 in credit cards being reported on your credit. That's good. Boom. Now you got that the trade lines I told you about Credit Strong up to $42,500. Boom. Now you almost got $140,000, $50,000, $30,000 being reported on your credit report in good payment history. That's what they want to see. Boom. If you're somebody that's self-employed, go to ADP Payroll Provider. Start generating your money through there and then connect it to your bank account so you can start getting direct deposit to that bank account. You can start building a money trail. They can see where it's coming from, this LLC, this business. It could be your own business. It doesn't matter. As long as they see that, that's good. Boom. Now you're generating you a paper trail. Now you got your bank statements. Now you got all these documents and you got your credit together the way that you need so you can start getting approved for these loans, lines of credits, and credit cards. All right, so without further ado, let's check out BMO Harris Bank. How you can get this $25,000 signature loan, bad credit accepted. As long as you got a good relationship with the bank, you have a great chance of getting approved. And as long as you follow the steps that I just gave you in the beginning of the video just now. All right, so without further ado, let's check out BMO Harris Bank. Okay, so today we're going to be talking about BMO Harris Bank. All right, so they got the accounts, checking accounts. They got savings accounts, money markets, and CDs. They got retirement accounts, IRAs, and investments. They got credit cards. They got mortgages. They got loans and lines of credit. And they got premier services, ways to bank. All right, so what you want to do is you got the loans and you got the lines of credit, right? So you want to go to the home equity line of credit. They got the home equity loans. They got the personal lines of credit. And they got the personal loans. Then they got the savings secured loans. They got the credit builder program loans. They got the private student loans. They got the refinancing student loans, right? So it's different options. So for the credit builder loan program, the credit builder loan program, if you have limited credit or none at all, we can work with you to build it. We design a program that makes it easy for you to make on-time payments so you can build your credit rating in the process. All right, so build your credit history. Making a series of on-time payments is one of the best ways to improve your credit score. Open as little as $1,000 and get low payments, big potential to boosting your credit. When your loan is paid off, you get a full amount of the certificate of deposit, CD plus interest. So how it works, all right, so take out a loan to open up a CD, open up a loan, you will use to fund a certificate of deposit, CD account. Make on-time payments. When you make timely payments, you help build a positive credit history. Like I've been telling y'all, get an improved credit in the cash. When your loan is repaid, you'll get the amount you invested plus interest. Call and visit the branch. Get personalized help to determine the amount in turn that works with you for most needs and get approved for your funds in the days. All right, so I'm showing y'all this because this is a little trick. This is a little hack. All right, here's what you need to apply: personal identification with current address. All right, so this is what I'm telling y'all. The first thing you want to do is you want to get this credit builder loans because this is going to build you a long relationship with BMO Harris Bank. So as long as you got $1,000, you're going to be able to pay that credit card off or that loan off fast, and it's going to build that relationship, right? So once you build that relationship, once you pay that off, then you'll go over here, and then you're going to go to the personal loans, right? So this is going to be the $10,000 personal loan with signature, right? So those big purchases you've been waiting on, take control of your finances, get the money to make your dreams possible with a personal loan at the competitive rate from BMO. Get the money you need to realize your dream. We'll work with you to make your application as simple as possible, getting you money in just days, all right? Personal loans that work your way with competitive rates as long as up to $35,000. We have the option to work with your lifestyle. Terms range from 12 to 60 months plus repay balance anytime without charges or penalty fees, which is great. So they got the rates as low as 8.24 APR based in Illinois rates, and they got the home improvement, consolidate my debt, perfect wedding, new vehicle, medical expense, any big purchase. So take the next step toward realizing your dreams. So call and visit the branch, get personalized help, determine the amount of term. And they say it's 35, but I said 10 because everybody want the high amount of loans, high limit loans, but you'll be easier to get approved for $10,000, vice versa, the high limit $35,000, right? So once you got that $10,000 loan, you'll go back over here and you'll go to the line of credit, and this you'll get you a $15,000 line of credit. So want a little extra money when you need it, but don't want to pay interest on what you use, so you're not paying interest. So a personal line of credit gets you just gets you just right, letting you borrow the exact amount that you need when you need it. So we'll work with you to take your application simple, possible, so you make the money in days. You will pay interest on only the money that you borrow and make no payments until you use your line. So if you get a $15,000 line and you only use 10,000, you're only responsible for 10 and not the 15. So you don't gotta worry about that extra 5. When you pay down your credit line, the money becomes available to borrow again. All right, so home improvements, emergency funds, consolidate my debt, perfect wedding, education expenses, managing cash flow, 16.50 APR, and things like that. Personal line of credit of tools and resources. What is a line of credit? Learn more. Line of credit calculator, savings calculator. And then it just breaks down like that. Visit a branch, call us, have you connected us. All right, so make sure you go tap in with BMO Harris Bank to get you $25,000, no signature loan. Just start building a relationship with them. As long as you build a relationship with them, you'll have a great chance of getting approved. Once you get your bank account, checking, and savings, go get you the credit builder loan for $1,000. Once you got you that, paid that off, now you got a relationship with them. Go put some money in the account. Then you want to go get the personal loan for $10,000. Then you want to get the personal line of credit for $15,000. All right. So without further ado, let's talk about it. So let's talk about it. BMO Harris Bank. Now, BMO Harris Bank is a bank that a lot of people have been banking with. BMO Harris Bank is a bank that wants to build a relationship with people, because at the end of the day, when they give out loans, they make money off you with those loans, with the APRs and things like that. So it's not really hard to get a loan. You just got to make it look good enough for them to want to give you a loan. And that's what I try to tell you guys and teach you guys in the beginning of my videos before I show you these websites, so you can already have the information and the steps you need before you start jumping up and starting to watch my videos and just go straight to apply for the loan. Don't get approved, and then y'all get the comment, bro, I didn't get approved, that sauce don't work. No, it don't work. Y'all just don't follow instructions. Y'all got it's a lot of people in the world that got a bad habit of not following instructions. And that's why they're in the position that they are, because if you follow instructions and do your research, certain things will come easier to you guys. Y'all just don't do that. All right, so make sure y'all doing your research. Make sure y'all following along. Make sure y'all understanding and getting y'all lessons and all that, because it will take you very, very far in learning new things and getting approved for these loans, lines of credit, credit cards, building y'all credit, personal and business, and getting rich. All right, so that's the main goal. Everybody want to learn how to make this right here, right? I'm trying to show y'all how to do this with this credit. Like, y'all can get $10,000 loans, go credit cards, go get cash advances for $10,000, have the $10,000 in cash, go invest this $10,000 into something and make $30,000 back, pay that loan back, and got your $20,000 profit. All right, and continue to do it. You do that 4 or 5 times, you got you $100,000, and that's what people are doing. All right, so make sure y'all tapping in, come and get y'all lessons and ready to elevate. Shout out to all my real King Hustle fans, supporters, and subscribers, old and new, because without y'all, there'd be no me. Y'all motivate me to keep going. Y'all motivate me to keep dropping the sauce, and y'all motivate me to keep y'all entertained. All right, so shout out to all y'all. Also, anybody out there looking to learn how to build their credit, get loans, lines of credit, credit cards, and all that good stuff like that, it's going to be $600. But if you want me to do it for you, it's going to be $1,500 and up. So make sure y'all tapping into my credit repair business, New Age Credit Repair. Also, anybody out there looking to get basic lessons, you want to learn how to do one basic thing, anything, tap in. FaceTime 101s is $500. All right, so make sure y'all tapping in on that. Also, make sure y'all tapping in and getting y'all unlimited gems. FaceTime 101s is $1,200. All right, you're going to get all the information that you need, from CPNs to documents to how to invest, credit, how to make $1,000 a day on social media, all that good stuff like that. All right, so make sure y'all come tap in and get y'all unlimited gems. FaceTime 101s, $1,200. Also, make sure y'all come tap in and get y'all mentorships. I'm taking people under my wing, and I'm making money with people. All right, so you ready to invest, you ready to come be blessed, tap in. We're going to make money together. I'm going to give you all the limited gems information. I'm going to give you DW information. And we're going to do this YouTube automation channel together. We're going to make plenty of channels, however many you want to make. As long as you put in the same effort, grind, and time that I put in to make it grow and build and make money, we will be A-okay. So if the channel make 10,000, you get 5, I get 5. If it make 20, you get 10, I get 10. Easy as that. All right, so make sure y'all tap in and get y'all mentorships, $2,500. Also, make sure y'all book y'all seat right now in the crypto tour. In-person limited gems, $3,500 in-state, $4,500 out-of-state. All right, so if you come in-state to me, it's going to be $3,500. If I got to come out-of-state to you, it's going to be $4,500. All right, so make sure y'all tapping in. $500 deposit. The rest of the money will be in person. All right, so tap in on that. Also, still looking for people for the production company. Actors, rappers, singers, models, cameraman, producer, all that. So make sure y'all tapping in. Music reviews is $200. Any rapper or singer looking to sign, get your chain, get your watch, start making money with your music, tap in. You don't got $200 to invest in yourself. Why should I invest $200,000 or more into you in your music and your whatever you got going on. All right, so make sure it makes sense. Also, any beautiful ladies out there, any models out there, you ready to elevate, you ready to get your face out there, you ready to get your brand and your platform off the ground, you ready to get your face seen more by people, you tired of taking them half-naked pictures and not really getting paid off of it or doing nothing, just looking pretty for nothing, tap in. I'm gonna put you in all the positions you need to win. It's gonna be a little different. I'm gonna have you doing little different things, from podcasts, from blogs, from interviews to skits, a lot of different things, all right? Because at the end of the day, don't limit yourself to one thing. Everybody just say, I want to be a model, I want to be a stripper. No, it's a lot of different things that can potentially get you a lot of more money. And at the end of the day, the things that people are doing now to make a lot of money, they did not think they were going to be doing to make money, all right? So think about that. Make sure you got a good head on your shoulders. You can't be corrected, you can't be directed. I don't deal with bad attitudes or none of that, all right? So make sure you got a good attitude, good head on your shoulders, and I promise you we're going to make some money, all right? I got you. Also, any videographers out there, you got good editing skills, good camera 4K better, good masking, FX, effects, all that, tap in with me. Content equals views, views equals money, all right? So the more views, content we push out, the more views we get, the more we get paid. Easy as that. I'm looking to put together a solid team of people so we all can work and we all can eat. Easy as that. Teamwork make the dream work, all right? Also, make sure y'all come tap in and get that Cash App glitchy, 250. It's really busting. People really, you know what I'm saying? People really making money with it. Tap in, don't miss out. Look, I'm going to show y'all. Past 3 days, been busting. This all today. Don't miss out. 250. You watch this video, you want the Cash App glitchy, tap in, 250. I'm gonna give you the sauce. You better take it and run with it. 250. Don't miss out before prices go up. All right. So make sure y'all tapping in. Make sure y'all come and get y'all gems. Make sure y'all really paying attention and learning how to make this money, because we all gonna elevate and get rich together. All right. It's your boy King Hussle. Y'all know how to get down to any of these videos. I'll see you at the next. Peace.